Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I love pound cake, good butter pancake, and I love raspberry jam. One time my granddaughter came to my house and she said, I want to do a little cake for mom for her birthday. I said, I'll show you how to do something really easy and quite good. So here is a 1 pound cake. So I'm going to trim it, trim the outside with a big knife like this. Okay, the bottom part too, and the top part. So I have all of those here, which I'm going to use, make bread crumb, or I mean cake crumb rather. And I'll put that down here. And now I have to show Sherry how to cut that cake into 4 slices. And it's not that easy. So one way of doing it, I told her, is to do 2 pieces of wood like this. You find the same size and put that on top and keep your knife right on top of it like this, so that you're sure that your slice is just about right. Right. That's it. So she learned how to do this. I think it was a bit thinner than that even. But here, I guess I'll do 3 slices here. You can do 3 slices, even 4 slices. It's good. Okay. Bottom part of it, I will be very generous with the raspberry. Love that raspberry jam. I need about probably half a cup of that. And put that on top. Again, you can of course stuff it with a buttercream, but I really like the raspberry. And what I did here, actually that raspberry jam, this is a seedless raspberry jam, but I put it in the microwave oven for like 30 seconds or so to get it a bit stuffed like that, the way it is here. Yeah, now we want to put some on the outside. You can hold that on your hand. Put a little bit here. Don't worry if some fall on the table. It's all right. Maybe I should do that on top of a plate. And a little bit at the end here. So here now, I can put this on the side and you bring it with your hand like this. What glue to it. So on the other side. And we can put the rest on top. Now you have a beautiful little cake. Probably better now to let it rest for half an hour before you cut it, but I'm going to cut it now. You have a nice tray like this. You know what? I'm going to use this. I don't like to throw that out. How bad can it be? Yeah. So I'm cutting it this way. It cut very nicely. You don't have to cut the whole thing. What I like to do is to cut like 5-6 slices like this and put the rest of it right there to present it. I think it's spearmint on top, just to finish it up a little bit like that. And here it is. Happy birthday to your wife or to your kid and all that. And happy cooking.